just by being a good writer you do not become an author. There's a very subtle difference between being an author and being a writer. Now, writer is a person who actually is the creator of the book or someone who produces the text for the book, but author is a person who owns the book. It doesn't matter whether you have written the book or not. If you are author, then you're the brand that is carrying that book. So here are a few things that I have noticed people talk, and the reasons why they don't want to write a book, or they don't write a book, or they have some self doubts. So first is that now people feel that a reader purchases a book if the reader doesn't know anything about that subject, which is not true. Many times a reader wants to explore more about the subject, and he or she may already know a lot about it already. So readers today are wise. So I've seen many books, they're just randomly picking a few ideas, rephrasing it, and then publishing it as a book. Now such books do not sell, and then they wonder, why am I not able to sell the book? Because they do not they are not able to judge the readers, right? We we have we cannot assume that our reader doesn't know anything about the subject. The reader is intelligent today. It's not like the olden days where books were there only for studies. Today books are also for entertainment, also for engagement. So always have this thing in mind, that you should understand your reader. Now some people can write on any topic and they just publish the book, but if you're not an expert of that topic, you do not have the credibility for it. I want to write a book on psychology. 3 4 years back I wanted to write a book on psychology, but then I thought, even if I write a book on psychology, I'm actually a writer, I'm a content person, I'm into the marketing field, how will I ever be able to build credibility? So that's when I actually did a diploma in psychology. Now I'm also doing a degree in psychology, so that I have a credibility for this book before I actually publish it. If I have a traditional publisher, I'm done with marketing. Many people have this assumption that traditional publishers will take care of everything. Doesn't happen. Yeah, it happens in case you are especially giving them some extra money for the marketing, or doing something extra. Otherwise, it's all your baby. You have to take care of it. Self-help book authors cannot become famous. This is also not true. In fact, this book is published by his own company. So this is also a self-published book that we are going to discuss today. And you know how famous that book is, and it is global bestseller. If I'm not a good writer, I cannot become author. Like I already explained, authorship and being a writer are two different things, very different things. Not every writer, good writer, can become an author. How many writers, I mean, like professional writers, maybe content writers, how many of these writers are also authors?